coming from a marriage coach, from the eyes of marriage coach, I would say, and how I observe other parents and what I have understood the psychology behind how you need to communicate with kids and how you want to talk with kids and everything. One of the most important things that we need to always be very conscious is, are we connecting with the child? Is the connection happening? Somewhere deep down, we're always focused on comparison. Is my child finishing the milestones? Is my child actually started reading, walking? Is my child doing all the Montessori play work? All these things are there. But the most important aspect is your child able to communicate? Is your child able to communicate what it needs, their desires, and are you able to communicate and connect with them? That is more of a priority, more than these milestones or these Montessori activities or RB activities. I'm not denying anything of, or I'm not trivializing all these things. Yes, those are important, but if there is no communication, if there is no emotional conversations, if there is no space where the child feels, okay, no matter what, my parents are there for me and I can go and talk to my parents, no, there is no hiccups, then it doesn't make sense. So it is very, very important that you be considerate and you start being focusing on the connection and emotional bond between the child, and not always keep correcting that you should do this like this or you should do like that. That's my one of the biggest learnings that I would say in the last 5-7 years that I've seen, observed, and I've also felt that someday when I have a child, that conscious conversations around communication and connecting has to happen. And me and my partner are very much focused. Even in our partnership, we don't correct each other, and we when we converse, it's more about communication and connection rather than correction, because the kind of words that we use with each other in itself will reflect whether you're correcting me or you're connecting with me. So be cautious of the choice of words and how you make your child feel in every moment of this conversation that you have with it. So that's my biggest learning that I would want to share with all of you.